Pretty windy out there, huh? Do any good out there at all, or no?
Yeah, no, birds.
Okay, that's pretty good. Gotcha. Have a good one. All right, gonna cast the 5-inch Fluke on one side, troll that baby. Cast the 4-inch Berkeley Gulp on the other. And you guys, it feels so good to be back out here. Got so busy with work, it was insane. There's a fish on the worm. Nice. Nice little spotted bass on that Ned rig with a worm on it. Let's try a vertical jig it right here. So 37 feet deep, that's the magic number. That's where that fish was, and that's where that next hit was that I just got. So usually that depth, 37 feet or whatever depth is where you get that first fish or two, that's usually where the minnows are comfortable that day. And I was out in the 42, 50 feet of water earlier, nothing. So this corridor through here is right around 37, so it's good because the wind is pulling you right along. Nice. This is a really nice drift here, right along like 35, 37. Give this a try. There's a fish. Drag way down. Another nice little spot. So I'm glad to see this working out. So this is a new reel and some new braid that I put on here. This is only 6-pound braid with 6-pound fluoro leader on here. And last night I learned how to tie a knot from braid to fluoro because the ones that I had been using before weren't that great. And so I tried 3 different knot styles and none of them worked well until I found a 4th one. I'll put a link below to it. It's not my channel, it's somebody else's. And it really works. It's on all 3 poles now, that knot, and I caught 2 fish on it and it didn't give. So I'm happy to promote somebody else's channel. We're all friends here. The goal is to catch fish. The secondary goal is to get subscribers. If I caught 10 fish every time I fished and I have the current number of subscribers I have right now, I'd be a happy man. I could say I'd die a happy man, but that would depend on how I die, really. I mean, if it's in my sleep, I might be happy. Check this out. So normally I follow the birds to find the fish. These are 2 eagles, or actually that's 1 eagle and 1 osprey. How cool. And the eagle just dive bombed a fish or something. It went down for a fish. I'm gonna go over right where they were. This wind is picking up. This is more than a drift here. Come on, buddy. Whew. This is a really nice fish. Whew. The battery died on the GoPro. Fighting. Oh, nice. Really nice hybrid. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. On the Fluke. Really nice fish. Beautiful early spring hybrid. Yes! Wow. Alright, absolutely gorgeous fish. This thing is 20. All right, you guys, so I just had the mother of all tangles. All 3 lines got tangled after I caught that fish, and the wind's on the other side of that bridge when I caught that fish. So I had the GoPro off. GoPro fell into the water with one of the ports open. Somehow it's still working. There's a fish. Wow. Holy crap. That thing turned the kayak. I think, oh shit. Damn it. See if there's any slime on here. Oh, no slime. Might have been a big hybrid. Try again. Oh, that was a really nice fish. I felt it hit, and then it came back for it and whacked it again so hard that it turned the kayak. There's a hit. There's another one. There's a fish. Yes. Cast it to the same spot. I don't know if it's as big. Stay on, stay on, stay on. I think it's a decent sized spotted bass. Yeah, it's nice. Not huge. So there it is. Not a huge fish. Definitely not a big fish, but a really good fighter. And I just casted this this 5-inch fluke, this bass colored fluke, but that's a nice hybrid and nice decent spotted bass, a little spotted bass on the same fluke. Beautiful fish. Just gonna troll back to the boat launch. Gorgeous day. I'm gonna be here again tomorrow. I'll do another video tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.